Heidi Tiemann and I'm the Director of the Space Skills Alliance. We're a think tank consultancy tackling the space skills gap in the UK. We chose to become a member of the Cornwall Space Cluster, partly because it's such a welcoming community. There's a whole range of upstream and downstream companies, there's colleges, there's universities, we've got spaceports and we've got people communicating with the moon. And for us, that's such a brilliant ecosystem to be part of. It's invigorating and it just inspires us every day. The Cornwall Space Cluster adds value to us at the Space Skills Alliance and to the wider membership because what it's really doing is bringing together companies who have similar thoughts and opinions, work on similar projects, but sometimes as a kind of collective voice we're a lot stronger than just individual companies on their own.